welcome to Pyramid Maths classes. Today I am going to discuss about the CET questions on inverse trigonometric functions. The first question, the principal value of sine inverse of sine 2 pi by 3 is equal to option A 2 pi by 3, option B pi by 3, option C minus pi by 3, option D minus 2 pi by 3. Here sine inverse of sine 2 pi by 3, 2 pi by 3 is not belongs to the range of sine inverse minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. The range of sine inverse function is closed interval of minus pi by 2 pi by 2. Therefore 2 pi by 3 is not belongs to in this range. Next we have to make it into sine inverse of sine pi minus pi by 3, because 3 into pi, 3 pi minus pi by 2 pi by 3 is equal to sine inverse of sine pi minus x. Sine pi minus x is equal to sine x. Second quadrant sine is positive. Therefore, sine inverse of sine pi by 3. Sine inverse of sine pi by 3 is pi by 3. Pi by 3 belongs to the closed interval of minus pi by 2 pi by 2. Therefore, principal value of sine inverse of x is pi by 3. The given option B is the correct answer for this. The second question, the principal value of cos inverse of cos 7 pi by 6. Option A 7 pi by 6, option B 5 pi by 3, option C 5 pi by 6, option D 13 pi by 6. Given cos inverse of cos of 7 pi by 6. 7 pi by 6 is nothing but 210 degree. This is not belongs to the range of cos 0 to pi. This is the range of cos inverse function 0 to pi. This 7 pi by 6 is not belongs to in this range. So we have to make this into the cos inverse of cos of 6 pi plus pi divided by 6. 6 pi plus pi is 7 pi by 7 pi divided by 6. Therefore, cos inverse of 6 pi by 6 plus pi by 6. 6 and 6 cancel is equal to cos inverse of pi plus pi by 6. But cos of pi plus pi by 6 is in third quadrant. So this becomes cos inverse of minus cos pi by 6. But even though minus is not in the range of 0 to pi, because this is the positive value, therefore again we have to make this into cos of pi minus pi by 6, because cos of pi minus x is equal to minus cos x. Therefore cos inverse of 6 into pi, 6 pi minus pi, 5 pi by 6. 5 pi by 6 is nothing but 180 degree. So this is belongs to in the range of 0 to pi. Therefore answer cos inverse of cos pi by 6 is 5 pi by 6. This is the principal value of cos inverse of cos 7 pi by 6. Therefore option C is the correct answer for this. 5 pi by 6 is the correct answer.